Strength integrity. Fish on! Fish on, boys! You good footage here if he goes in.
There you go, mate.
That's alright, under's fine, under's good. Whoa! Fair fish. Hey, you're gonna go back out. Yeah.
Slow, bud.
Really? Net job. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Our angle for you, mate. Look at this.
Yep. Oh, dropped it.
Yep. It's a good fucking weight too. If you're not hanging on, not paying attention, you're in trouble, eh?
Up. Ah.
it. Oh, dropped him. Huh? It's a big fish down there, eh? Are you on? What's that little fucking thing? GoPro off, GoPro off.
There's enough for him to get snagged on down the bottom anyway. Don't lie, stick it. Watch out for this thing, Adam. Like this in the lead. Yeah, watch it get 10 kilos heavier in a minute when a big shark comes through. Could be a G. Jump top. There we go, he's turning now. I'll have to rip the count in. Oh, he's got second with the line, man. Yeah, buddy.
So you're fucking around with him a lot.
Oh, he's good size. Good size. Good size.
That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Oh!
Is this going to fit the fucking net? This fucking net?
Oh, sharks, quick. Net the fucking bitch.
Yep, got him. Yes! Big! Watch out, take your bail him off, bail him off, bail him off. Yep. Good size plenty, mate. Then you can fucking play with him. We'll get him weighed in. That's a winning.
That's a meatery.
That's a winner. That's a winner, winner.
Well done.
That's a winner, winner, sir.
Yeah,
Well
lures
done.
attached to me.
And you know what, Harley? I've got that all on GoPro for you, buddy. Well done, my next fishing show. Harley's Adventures. Sometimes you gotta set this a bit better.
He's got to be a better fisherman. That's all.
That was big too.
Yep, sounded
Just
big.
as heavy as a fucking.
Oh, there we go.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, good fish. You want too? Oh, yeah, look at this good fucking rod. Look at this exciting bend.
His GoPro's working overtime. Oh, big drama.
On the light gear too.
One of those yellow things yesterday, Adam.
It's a trevally. Bloody trevally, a little trevally. No wonder he went hard. Bit harder than the bloody other shit. Next drop, let's see how we go. No good. I can hear something over the other side. What's going on here? You on? I'd like to be able to stay and watch it, but I've got a bit on. There's fish around, you know. Jesus Christ. Maybe I do need to watch that. Maybe you need to tighten her up a bit, the drag. Did?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, maybe it's a good fish.
I did get a look at it. Oh, white, silver.
Good session.
Just move my arm back here for a second. Come on, dog.
Video took us into the sun, so the footage isn't going to be any good. Fucking around. Oh, what is it? Saw some colour. Oh, another big queenie.
Come on, mate.
Luke, oh,
There's
hang
a
on.
meter in this cup.
I was going to say grab the net, but you just dropped it out. Hang on.
Like that.
It's alright, I'll grab the net, you fish.
Yes. Another fucking circle. Big tuna. Big dogfish.
Oh, don't get him under the boat. Stay on that side so I don't fall in.
Yeah, it's
Come back in. Oh,
about 8 you lads.
fuck. Oh,
Yeah, I'll deal with it.
fuck, that's
Yeah,
heavy.
buddy!
Fucking great in that cup.
Oh, me fucking metal.
That's bigger again.
That's a meter in.
That's bigger again. That's a good fish. Hey, you only just started. Happy?
Yeah, mate.
He's free spool. Oh no, shark, got him. Fuck. Let him go, you fucker. Big shark. Fuck.
Right here, right. Hey? Bro, I'm meddling.
Back's feeling a bit hairy going after fucking casting all day. Shame.
Oh look, crystal clear too.
Huh?
Crystal clear, we can have a swim. No trouble, there is fish in there. Look.
Oh yeah. How fresh is it? Fresh.
Yeah, this is all fresh.
Drink fresh?
I mean,
I'm not gonna drink it, I'll just ask him.
I want to see you go in there for a dip.
I'll go in it. I'm not going out there, but
No.
no.
Oh, that's nice. It's cool. It's cool water.
It's fresh?
It's quite nice, yeah.
Like yours, isn't it?
It's alright here, like in close, you know. Just don't want to go for a swim out in the middle there, you know?
Huh?
You probably just wouldn't want to swim out in the middle.
They're good?
It's nice.
They're fucking up. They're fucking good.
Nice?
Yeah, it's fresh hose. You probably get sick.
Huh?
You know those bottles?
Got it.
Oh,
Film it. Leave it, leave it.
He's enormous.
Fish huge, isn't he? Wow.
Let it get you right out the way.
Did you get him?
there he is.
No, he comes. Ready? He's on it. He's got it. Has he? Did you take it?
Yeah,
he's
now
on
he
it.
has.
Yep. God took it. Oh,
Come on, take it.
He's very fucking ego.
That's cobes.
Uh-huh.
Or is that a bronzy? Bronzy. That's good eating there. That's good eating. Oh,
Good eating size, that.
that's great eating.
Yeah, we'll eat that one.
Yeah.
I need to get down there so I can get him.
No, you won't pull me. Yeah. Just drop her.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? I'm coming back.
Got him?
Go, go.
Yeah, no troubles. Ooh, it's set of teeth on you.
And it's going to go berserker in a second. Now let me keep him going back.
Cut its tail. Cut its tail.
You want to put it out live bait? Can you see any fish? Any fish out there? What are they? Queenies? As long as you can see that in the crocs, it's good. Imagine being stuck on here at times. It drops off. Look at a massive weight on mine, dude. Sea mullet. What's that fucking thing? What's that? Is that a big fish or something? I just don't want to make sure it's not a big croc, you know? Oh yeah, what is that? Fucking stingray. Got hit?
Little golden. Beautiful. I foul hooked a long time.
That's bait. Feel the rocks on the lure.
Look at the razor sharp teeth on this little bastard. They just annihilate you. That's what Steve got cut up on. Big teeth. The sharp little bastards. Oh, it's a queenfish.
What is that?
Mullet.
Cool.
It is.
No, it's not. That's a fucking milkfish or whatever it's called.
Is it? Is it?
No, that's a milkfish. That's the fucking rarest fucking cunt you'll ever come across. How are you catching diamond trellies in these cunts?
Is it on the list?
Get a fucking photo of that. Fucking hell. You no one catches those cunts. You fucking jag one in the side of its fucking belly.
Oh, look at the hook, get fucked.
Honestly, it's in its...
They don't have teeth.
It is a milky. Nah, it's not on the list, don't worry
It's not
about
on
it.
the list, but fucking hell.
Put it up against that. Just put it up against that, see how big it is. There you go. Ah. Put it up again.
Just wait 1 second.
What's that? It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60... Yeah,
64, 65.
65 centimetre milky. Yeah, spear him back. Yeah, get rid of him.
He ducked straight under. Oh no, he's alright. He's got nowhere to go here.
He might charge at us, that'd be funny.
Fucking good fish, mate.
Fucking hell.
He's got some fucking go in this.
BGT.
Oh, come on, man. What are you pumping for? Make sure you know it's up there, fucking bird. I've got one over your cheek.
This is your fair one. This is the one I'm going to give you.
This is orange.
I think it's a big
Big dogtooth tuna.
GT, I reckon.
I'm pretty sure it's a GT.
Well, see, it looks like it.
It's a dogtooth tuna.
It's going in there.
It's not a queenie, because it would have come up on you.
Big fish. Hold up, look at it.
Finger mark, look at this.
Oh, it is a finger mark.
Yeah, fair out there, it's just a beast.
Finger mark.
Yeah, it is. Oh, now he's fucking decided to go again. Fuck off.
Big fish. Great fish.
Oh, yeah! Fucking finger mark. Finger mark. Undo that jet properly first.
Yeah, no, they're just got fucking
Hey!
Right, I started to make a little bit. This boat.
Finish.
How do you stop this?
Yep. That's That's where it was.
Fucking record,
Big finger mark, Mom.
Gotta throw the fish in the water. Getting out the back of the road.
Hey, fucking dog.
Making fat twice.
Nothing else.